Good morning, Shama Stars. We are starting new chapter, chapter 22, Chemical Coordination and Integration. In this chapter, we will study human endocrine system, endocrine glands and hormones. The endocrine system is a chemical messenger system comprising feedback loops of the hormones released by internal glands of an organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distinct target organs. Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and are produced in trace amounts. This slide shows different endocrine glands present in human body. These are hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, testes, and ovaries. In addition to these, some other organs, for example, gastrointestinal tract, kidney, and heart, they also produce hormones. The hypothalamus is a small region of the brain. It is located at the base of the brain near the pituitary gland. While it's very small, the hypothalamus plays a crucial role in many important functions including releasing of hormones and regulating body temperature. It contains several groups of neurosecretory cells called nuclei which produce hormones. These hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. The hormones produced in the hypothalamus are corticotrophin-releasing hormone, dopamine, growth hormone-releasing hormone, somatostatin, gonadotrophin-releasing hormone, and thyrotrophin-releasing hormone. The pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity called sella turcica and is attached to the hypothalamus by a stalk. This slide shows hormones released by pituitary gland. Prolactin, it promotes mammary gland development and milk production. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, control growth of the ovaries and testes as well as their hormonal and reproductive activities. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, controls the rate of water excretion into the urine, thus helping to control the concentration of water in the body fluids. Oxytocin helps express milk from the glands of the breast and possibly helps in the delivery of baby at the end of the gestation. The next gland we are talking about, the pineal gland. It is located on the dorsal side of forebrain. Pineal secretes a hormone called melatonin, which plays a very important role in the regulation of a 24 diurnal rhythm of the body. For example, it helps in maintaining the normal rhythms of sleep-wake cycle, body temperature. The next gland we are talking about, the thyroid gland, which is composed of two lobes placed on either side of the trachea. Both the lobes are interconnected with a thin flap of connective tissue called isthmus. The thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissues. Thyroid gland secrete three hormones, thyroxine or T4, triiodothyronine or T3, main hormone secreted by thyroid gland, amino acid derivatives tyrosine, and calcitonin produced by parafollicular cells, that is C cells. Now let's talk about parathyroid gland. In humans, 4 parathyroid glands are present on the back side of the thyroid gland, 1 pair each in the two lobes of the thyroid gland. The parathyroid glands secrete a peptide hormones called parathyroid hormone or PTH. The secretion of PTH is regulated by the circulating levels of calcium ions. Parathyroid hormone increases the calcium ion levels in the blood, PTH acts on bones and stimulates the process of bone reabsorption. PTH also stimulates reabsorption of calcium ions by the renal tubules and increases calcium ion concentration absorption from the digested food. The next gland we are talking about is thymus gland. It is located behind our sternum and between our lungs. Is only active until puberty. After puberty, the thymus starts to slowly shrink and become replaced by fat. The gland secretes the peptide hormones called thymosins. Thymosins play a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocytes, which provide cell-mediated immunity. In addition, thymosins also promote production of antibodies to provide humoral immunity. Thymus is degenerated in old individuals, resulting in a decreased production of thymosins. As a result, the immune responses of old persons become weak. So students, these are some important glands of human endocrine system. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will discuss pancreas, testis, ovary and adrenal gland. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.